FBI reopens investigations into White House cocaine incident, Supreme Court leak, and 2021 pipe bombings. The FBI announced on May 26, 2025, that it is reopening and intensifying investigations into three high-profile cases: the 2023 discovery of cocaine in the White House, the 2022 leak of the Supreme Court's draft opinion that overturned Roe v. Wade, and the 2021 planting of pipe bombs outside the Democratic and Republican National Committee headquarters. Deputy FBI Director Dan Bongino revealed these developments, emphasizing renewed focus and weekly updates on progress. In July 2023, a small bag of cocaine was found in a cubby near the West Wing entrance of the White House while President Biden and his family were away. The initial Secret Service investigation closed due to lack of physical evidence and inability to identify a suspect. The FBI is revisiting the 2022 leak of the Supreme Court's draft opinion in Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization, which led to the overturning of Roe v. Wade. Previous investigations failed to identify the leaker. The agency is also intensifying efforts to solve the case of undetonated pipe bombs planted outside the Democratic and Republican National Committee headquarters on January 5, 2021, just before the Capitol riot. Bongino, a former conservative podcaster turned FBI deputy director, announced the renewed probes on social media platform X, stating he receives weekly briefings and that progress is being made. Both the cocaine discovery and the Supreme Court leak have been focal points in right-wing political discourse, with figures like President Donald Trump alleging connections to the Biden family despite lack of evidence. No usable DNA or fingerprints were found on the cocaine bag, and surveillance footage was inconclusive, complicating efforts to identify the responsible individual among hundreds of staff and visitors. The leak triggered widespread outrage and prompted an 8-month internal probe by the court, which concluded without identifying the source. Retired Justice Stephen Breyer has speculated on possible suspects but did not name anyone. Bongino urged anyone with relevant information on these cases to contact the FBI, signaling a push for community assistance in resolving these high-profile investigations. The FBI's renewed efforts come amid increased scrutiny and political pressure, with Bongino and Director Kash Patel prioritizing cases of potential public corruption and politically sensitive incidents from the Biden administration era. These reopened investigations highlight the FBI's commitment to resolving unresolved controversies that have fueled political debate and public curiosity, while underscoring the challenges inherent in probing sensitive and complex cases.